takeoff from ground. Ejection seats, hands on throttle and stick, round the 360-degree turn, hard G, roll out around into 3.8. Time for self-defense, when our warning seats, strength flares, available. Maximum rate of climb at sea level is over 22,000 feet per minute. Used for avionics testing and flight refueling. Aileron roll. Into the high display, into a loop. Singapore, side 12, Israel, taking 30. Something like 1,650 airframes they reckon are going to be in service at the end of its life. Stress to +8 and -3G. Excellent turn and climb rate for a Singer. Along with the usable angle attack, allows quite like performance to experience. Twin engine reliability, quadplex dual digital 5x1. Crack along speed, crack level speed around about 560 knots, which just through the speed of sound-ish, Mark 1.2 at sea level. Of the flight regime, stalling speed with the flaps out is a mere 90 knots. And so a fighter version just for that is Leonardo-Finmeccanica, unveiled here at Farnborough. Its new Aermacchi the M-346 FT multi-role version of this aircraft you've seen fly. That was announced here at Farnborough. The very latest update since the trainer's introduction, 68 units have been ordered by the Air Forces of Italy, Singapore, Israel and Poland. As I said, already ordered by UAE, United Arab Emirates.